Imagine standing before the Creator of the heavens and the earth, overwhelmed by His infinite mercy, love, and power. Have you ever truly paused to reflect on the one who created you, nurtured you, and continues to sustain you, moment by moment? Today, let's explore 3 of the most beautiful names of Allah: Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, and Al-Malik. Names that can transform how we see our lives and how we connect with our Creator. Let's start with Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Allah's mercy encompasses all creation, from the air we breathe to the warmth of the sun on our skin. Imagine this: if the mercy of Allah were divided into 100 parts, only 1 part has been sent down to the world, shared by all living beings. What about the remaining 99 parts of Allah's mercy? They are reserved for the Day of Judgment, a promise that no soul will be treated unfairly. Can you feel the love of Allah reaching out to you in every moment of your life? His mercy surrounds us, but how often do we acknowledge it? How do you personally experience Allah's mercy in your life? Think about it. Next is Ar-Rahim, the Especially Merciful. While Ar-Rahman describes Allah's boundless mercy for all creation, Ar-Rahim is specific to the believers, manifesting in both this life and the hereafter. For every good deed you do, Allah multiplies the reward. For every sin, He opens the door to repentance. No matter how far you've strayed, His mercy awaits you. Isn't that a beautiful reason to turn back to Him? But how does Allah's mercy connect to His sovereignty over all that exists? Let's find out. Al-Malik, the King, the sovereign of the heavens and the earth. Every kingdom, every ruler, every authority in this world is temporary, but Allah's kingdom is eternal, unshaken, and unmatched. When you think of a king, what comes to mind? Palaces, wealth, power. Allah Al-Malik owns all of creation, yet He rules with mercy and justice. Unlike worldly kings who rely on their subjects, Allah is free of need. Instead, we are completely dependent on Him. Think about this. When you stand in prayer, you are standing before Al-Malik. Every bow, every prostration is an acknowledgement of His ultimate authority. Does that thought fill your heart with awe and humility? Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, and Al-Malik remind us of Allah's mercy, love, and power. He is the most merciful, extending kindness to all creation. He is especially merciful to the believers, guiding them to eternal success. And He is the King, the ultimate source of justice and authority. What will you do today to strengthen your connection with Allah? Will you call upon Him in prayer, reflect on His mercy, or act with kindness toward others? The choice is yours. If you found this video meaningful, subscribe to Imanify for more reflections on the 99 names of Allah. Together, let's strengthen our Iman. Until next time, stay inspired and stay connected with Allah.